Welcome! It is a foggy day here at Veterans Field as Chatham exits an off day and will face the Hyannis Harbor Hawks for the second time this season. May cracks it in the air, deep into the night sky in right field. It's towards the corner and it is gone! John Bay ties it through the fog with his team leading third home run of the summer. Strike three call. And Arquette hits a high fly ball. Deep center field. Groves turns. It is gone! Halfway up the berm in center field. Arquette knocks it through the fog for his first home run of the summer. And Chatham leads 5-1.
Chatham, through 4.5 innings at Veterans Field, wins it over Hyannis 5-2 on a fog-ended game cut short